Hey, what is up, you guys? We had a great day in the market with another green day, making it the 6th day in a row that we see green. This is an update video on Best Buy, which is one of my top picks for this week. Like I told you guys on my last video, Best Buy's balance sheet looks great, and with their big earnings coming up, I'm not surprised to see Best Buy up almost 3% today. I told you guys in my last video as well that we were either going to see two scenarios. We were either going to see a pullback down to 106, 109 area, and then we were going to push up to the 120 level, or that we were going to continue the momentum into earnings. And what happened today? We continue the upward momentums, like I said. We are now about to hit our price target of 120 either tomorrow or sometime this week. I took some profits today. I will be taking the rest of my profits at 120 if I see the stock looking weak. Then I will be waiting for a pullback to the 115 area, and if we can't hold the 115 area, then my next entry will be at the 112 area, and if we can't hold 112, then my next entry will be at 109. I hope that this video gave you some guidance. However, this is just my opinion. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I will try to answer them as quickly as possible. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I will be doing a giveaway when we hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. Stay woke. Have a great day.